Complete devastation. Over 400 people dead, several still missing. Kerala's Wayanad is still reeling from the deadly landslides that hit the region on the 30th of July. Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited Wayanad and took stock of the on-ground situation. After landing in Kannur, he conducted an aerial survey of the landslide-affected regions in Wayanad. He visited the landslide-hit locations to assess the situation on the ground. This is the place where he was briefed by the relief teams about the ongoing operations. Prime Minister also visited a relief camp and the WIMS hospital and met with the survivors.
He was very precise in asking that. He was asking what were their actual health issues, what were the issues, and we were able to express like their issues is actually trauma, a bigger trauma, unexpected, both physical, economical, but most importantly right now it is mental trauma because they lost most of their families, and the trauma is like it may not be able to end right now. It is a very long-term process.
Later, Prime Minister chaired a meeting along with Kerala Chief Minister and the Governor of the state, Arif Mohammed Khan. This is where he was briefed about the ongoing relief efforts.
मैंने माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी से बात की थी और मैंने कहा था कि हम हर प्रकार की व्यवस्था को मोबिलाइज कर रहे हैं और जितना जल्दी पहुंच सकते हैं पहुंचते हैं। मैंने हमारे एमओएस को भी तुरंत यहां भेजा था। एसडीआरएफ के लोग हो, एनडीआरएफ के लोग हो, सेना के लोग हो, पुलिस के जवान हो, तुरंत ही आपदा प्रभावित लोगों की मदद के लिए पहुंचने का प्रयास किया।
After the inspection, Prime Minister assured all possible assistance for rehabilitation and rebuilding the region.
सरकार ने जो नीति नियमों के तहत जो आपदा प्रबंधन के लिए राशि भेजते हैं उसका काफी हिस्सा पहले ही दिया हुआ है और भी हिस्सा हमने तुरंत रिलीज किया है और जैसे ही मेमोरेंडम आएगा तो बहुत ही उदारता पूर्वक इन सारी समस्याओं के समाधान के लिए केरल सरकार के साथ भारत सरकार खड़ी रहेगी।
Leader of the opposition and former Wayanad MP Rahul Gandhi thanked Prime Minister Narendra Modi for personally taking stock of the terrible tragedy. He urged Prime Minister to declare this tragedy as a national disaster, a demand which was earlier raised by Kerala Chief Minister and the Governor.
This tragedy is on Kerala tragedy, it is national tragedy and it should be treated as such. I had requested all the governors to speak to their governments, chief ministers, and see what they can do.
If the central government declares the incident a national disaster, the state will get more central assistance for rebuilding the area and rehabilitating the survivors.